Hello everybody, I am the Happy Cabbie. An hour ago I posted a video somewhat excited about a possibility of getting work at BalloonDistractions.com. Even though the video was up for less than an hour, it has since been deleted. I have gotten a couple of emails pretty much warning me about this website. They have directed me to two websites. One is clown-forum.com, which you will be hard-pressed to find any nice things said about BalloonDistractions.com and other similar businesses that operate on a similar model. Another one is balloon-animals.com, where it is the same problem. The basic complaints that they are offering is, number one, not being able to pay their employees, a question of whether or not their employees are actually covered by insurance. Of course, the problem with upfront costs that the quote-unquote employee has to pay for in order to work. Based on what I've already been told, and then of course what I've read here in the forums, this is one company that I'm staying away from. And like I said, I've deleted the other video, and I'm just basically saying it's like, in case any of my subscribers are curious about BalloonDistractions.com, I would definitely stay away from the website. And the links are going to be down in the bottom if anybody wants to read the stuff that's said about them. I'm the Happy Cabbie, and thank you for watching.